Lemon, soap, magic colors. Welcome to acid base indicators. Let's begin today's video. What are indicators? We cannot taste every substance to check whether it's an acidic or basic. Instead, we use indicators. So, indicators are nothing but they are the substances which change their color when an acid or base is added to them. So, there are different types of indicators which we are going to see further in the video. One category is natural indicators. Natural indicators, as the name suggests, which are obtained from nature, जिनके sources natural sources हैं, natural sources से जो substances हमें मिलते हैं, and they indicate the presence of acids and bases. Out of them, the first one is litmus. Litmus, as you all know, it is obtained from the plant category which we call lichens. In acid, this litmus turns blue to red, and in base it turns red to blue. इसी तरह से turmeric है, which is very common in our kitchen. It's a kitchen spice. In acids it remains yellow, whereas in base it turns reddish brown. बहुत ही जनरल एग्जांपल अगर हम लें, घर में अगर कभी हमारे कपड़ों पे कुछ खाना गिर जाता है और उस पे हल्दी के दाग लग जाते हैं, if you try to scrub it with soap, then it changes to red color. But instead of that, when you don't have any other stain remover, घर में कोई stain remover नहीं है या कोई cleanser नहीं है, so what we did, we rub it with lemon, and that dulls the color up to an extent. So this is a very good example of the how the use of turmeric indicates the presence of acid or base. The third one is red cabbage extract, which in acid turns red, and in the presence of base it turns green or yellow. The fourth natural indicator is flowers of hydrangea, and in the acidic medium they turn blue, in alkaline medium they turn pink. So basically these indicators indicate the presence of acid or base by the change in their color. The second category is synthetic indicators. As the name suggests, हमें पता लग रहा है that they are synthetic, or they are the chemical indicators which are synthesized in the laboratory. So there are two indicators which are given in your textbook, that is phenolphthalein and methyl orange. And generally the question comes from these two only, where the frequency of phenolphthalein is more if you compare it with methyl orange. The original color of phenolphthalein is colorless, and it remains colorless also in case of acid, whereas in case of base it turns pink. If you test it any substance with the methyl orange, the original color of this indicator is orange, which turns to red in presence of acid, and it turns to yellow in presence of base. The third category of indicators are known as olfactory indicators. Olfactory, as the name suggests, something related with the smell. So ये जो indicators हैं, how they sense the presence of acid or bases by the change in their odor. इसमें से जो सबसे पहला इंडिकेटर है, दैट इज अनियन, एंड द कैरेक्टरिस्टिक स्मेल ऑफ अनियन वैनिशेस. आप अगर कभी आपने घर में होते ही हैं अनियंस, तो अनियन का स्मेल सबको पता है कैसा होता है. सो उसका जो वो कैरेक्टरिस्टिक स्मेल है वो खत्म हो जाता है इफ इट इज एडेड टू अ बेस लाइक सोडियम हाइड्रोक्साइड, बट इट परसिस्ट इन द केस ऑफ एन एसिड. The second olfactory indicator is vanilla essence, and the sweet smell of the vanilla essence disappears in the base. जब vanilla essence हम केक्स वगैरह में भी यूज करते हैं तो उसका कैसा एक बहुत ही स्वीट सा स्मेल आता है जो डिसअपियर हो जाता है in case of a base, but it stays in case of acid. And the third one is the clove oil. Clove oil का smell बहुत pungent होता है, and it diminishes in the presence of a base. So जो olfactory indicators हैं वो अपने order में changes से बताते हैं कि whether the given substance is an acid or a base. These are the three types of acid base indicators. The fourth one is universal indicator. अभी तक जो अपन ने indicators देखे, though they are only telling us that whether a substance is an acid or base. So how is universal indicator different from synthetic indicator, natural indicators, and olfactory indicators? Universal indicator tells you that how strong an acid or base is. So it's a mixture of several indicators which shows different colors at different concentrations of pH. Now what is this pH? pH क्या होता है? pH is potency of H ion concentration in any solution. तो उस pH के बेसिस के ऊपर यूनिवर्सल इंडिकेटर हमें बताता है कि whether the given solution or a substance is a strong acid or it's a weak acid, or if it's a strong base, or if it is a weak base, or if it's just neutral. So if the pH is less than 7, then it will be an acid, as red is strong acid and yellow orange is weak. I'll show you the scale. मैं अभी next slide में आपको scale दिखाऊंगी and उससे आपको clear होगा कि कहाँ strong acid होगा और कहाँ weak acid होगा, कहाँ weak base होगा और कहाँ strong base होगा. जैसे कि यहाँ जो कलर्स से पता चल रहा है वो हमें पता लग रहा है कि ग्रीन अगर है, ग्रीन शो हो रहा है, दैट मीन्स दैट द गिवन सोल्यूशन इज if the given solution turns blue, then it's weak base, and if the given solution turns purple or violet, it's a strong base. देखिए ये चार्ट जो है, दिस इज शोइंग द पीएच, इट्स अ पीएच कलर चार्ट. देखो अगर इस चार्ट में आप देखोगे तो दिस एट दिस पोजीशन द सोल्यूशन विल बी न्यूट्रल. द मोर इट मूव्स टुवर्ड्स दिस साइड, देन इट विल बिकम मोर एसिडिक. 6 पे, 5 पे, 4 पे, it will be a weak acid, but as it reaches to these colors orange, pink and red, it becomes what, strong acid. ऐसे ही जब हम दूसरी तरफ जाएंगे न्यूट्रल से, so 8 9 8 9 10 10 पे देखो कलर कैसा हो गया, ब्लू. And lastly, when it's a strong base, it is 13 and 14. So if a solution's color is changing to violet, that means it's a strong base. और ये ब्लू पे अगर है तो ये यहाँ क्या आएगा, इट विल बी अ वीक बेस. इसी तरह से यहाँ येलो से चलते हुए ऑरेंज तक जा रहा है, सो इट विल बी वीक एसिड. एंड इफ इट रीचेस टू ऑरेंज और रेड, तो यहाँ क्या क्या हो जाएगा, इट विल बी अ स्ट्रॉन्ग acid. Now a task for you all. Which indicator do you think gives the most interesting color change? Litmus, turmeric or phenolphthalein? Tell me in the comments. This is all for today. Like, share and subscribe for more such videos.